Good morning and welcome back to the Backpacktrader training room for the crude oil inventory report for Wednesday, March the 8th, 2023. Please note the required risk disclosure again. For education, this room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds that you can afford to do without. All right. We got a couple of minutes to go yet. Please do say hello in the chat. It's nice to know who's here. And we got about 30 seconds before the report comes out. We'll wait our 2 minutes before taking any trades. Welcome back, Private Eye. We have Spotlight 8-tick range bar on Crude on the right. That's on Spotlight. On the left top, we have Spotlight unleaded gas with the 20-tick range bar. And there's the report coming out. Not much range to it, however. All right. Potential short trade, but that's not one I would be very interested in. Expand the range a little bit. Short trade has canceled, long trade's gone too far, so we'll be looking for a new setup. And I'll give the range to the session open. And stopping out of the trailer, so we are in our trade session. That trade is too early on unleaded. That one's not. Unleaded short. 377 tick. There's your short right there. 377 tick counterpunch. Possible long trade coming. There it is. 77.08 for the stop and reverse. And we have a short trade on unleaded loses. We did stop and reverse to long on the 377. And we have a long trade possibility. The short did stop out, so let's put that entry in there. New short trade on unleaded. And the long trade hit money management and came back and stopped out for a couple of ticks. On the 377, we have a new long. Oh my. Target 3 on that one. Long trade triggers on the 377. Short trade on the unleaded, and the long trade triggers in on Spotlight. There are 2 fixed targets and the stop, so we're ready to roll there. Stop and reverse. Looks like a noisy market. Stop and reverse at 02. Late to the party, but you should definitely be in that trade. And we did. Okay, we triggered long. Or I'm still in the original long on that because I was late getting the orders in. There is a new long, unleaded. Looks like it got money management and break even, and now has a solid long trade. 7-second bar. Chances are you didn't get in, wouldn't have gotten in that. So I'm going to say that's a no trade on the long. The short, 12 seconds. Yeah, probably in that. And there's a second money management trade. Actually, what did we get there? Yeah, it looks like we got a. Yeah, the long. Yeah, got a target. Got target 3 and a few ticks on the trailer. Alright, we did get to money management on that prior long, so I will borrow this one. Money management and the stop out on the short. And we took a full stop on the unleaded. Okay, we got one target off the original trade. I would say this first trade was avoided. Well, that's where we are. And stopping out. All right. And just messy price action. It looks like I have to go back and look at it, but 377 tick looks like it would have been profitable this morning. Okay, so there's our first trade. And that is a stop and reverse at 08. Actually at 07. 07 was the original stop. So that picks up one tick, and we do take the loss there. And we pick up this long that goes to does pick up target 3, which was worth 12 ticks. Picks that, so it's 14. What was our loss here? That would have been 07. Now let's see. It's a full 13, so 26 ticks. So we're down 12 after that one. No, we're down 24. We're down 10. And then we pick up the short that goes to money management. So there's 2 ticks, 4 ticks. So we're down 6. Long trade. Yeah, plenty of time to get in that. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Well, and there it goes to target 2. So POQ took a few trades to get there. Pick up 16 ticks to target 2, and we're trailing. So we're up at least 10, at least 20 actually, because that's 11 ticks there. $12, $13, and that would be an exit on the reversal for a little bit more. 27 from 11, 16 ticks. Yeah, 16 on target, 16 on trail, 32 ticks. We were down 6 going into it, 26. No, I'm sorry, we were down, yeah, 6 ticks. So 26 on the day on 377. Unleaded having a tough time. Break evens, some target 1s, but and good morning, Claude. Looks like it's about time to call this one a morning. We did get, if you got stopped out, you then stopped and reversed again. This is a 200 EMA trade, which is not part of the standard trade plan. I just have it on the chart to show, but so you would not have had that one, which actually got 2 targets for 35 ticks. We got 1 target out of this that was 21 ticks. $17 to $23. Now sellers taking over again. There's another target 1. Money management again. So targets 1 and 2 on the short on Spotlight Crude. 23 ticks. No, sorry. Targets 2 and 3, 34. Have a good one, Pamela. Have a good afternoon across the pond. All right, target 2 on unleaded. That's a 60 tick target. Trailing at 68.76. And where do we go from here? And it looks like it stopped out. How many trades is that on unleaded from? Looks to me like that definitely got that one. So you have a loss of 38 tick risk, 76 tick loss. You pick up, let's see, did we, nope, that one's just a straight break even. So you pick up 68.77 to 68.76. So you pick up 2 ticks there, down 74. The long picks up a target 2. Well, that's right, the long was too fast. The short just picks up a cut 2 more ticks, down 72. Long doesn't trigger, short triggers. And stops and reverses. That would be at 32 from 09, 23 ticks. That's another 46 on top of 72. So we're 100 down 118. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a target 1 and stop out. And 6 is their winning trade. That was for target 2 traders. You got 60. Cut your loss in half. That was your last trade of the session. So losing session on unleaded. Solid short trade on crude. If you actually took the stop and reverse, that would have been at 77.02 from 17. 15's a 30 tick loss. You go back the other way and you actually take a full loss if you don't have the 200 EMA. So I would have taken the additional trade. That full loss was 46. Whew, tough morning. So anyway, we come back with a 23. We pick up 35. So, and pick up, yeah, you got back about half of it on that trade. All right, well folks, that will call it a day, and we'll come back tomorrow morning to do it again. 9:30 tomorrow. Everyone have a good afternoon, and we'll see you tomorrow. Unless there are questions. We only got 3 comments. And quite welcome, Claude. Thank you, Private Eye. And you have a great day as well. And off to tomorrow.